Hello. It's 9 p.m. and it's 30 degrees. And I've got this little fan that's a new addition, so that's helping a little bit. I'm fasting tomorrow, doing my first fast. I'm gonna aim for a couple this week. So I'm cooking a very special meal, which is chucking out some meat. Chickpeas, spiced, herbalised, sautéed in olive oil, yummy, and some couscous. I'm gonna add to that a bit of fresh parsley and some wholemeal pita breads, and that should give me enough energy to get well into tomorrow, so that's good. So yeah, fasting has begun. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's going to be 30 degrees again today, so I'm heading to the woods. Yeah, let's go there. This is black tea, no sugar, no milk. And it's revolting. It's nearly 1 p.m. Apparently that's when my body's going to go into a shift of needing glucose and using stored body fat. So that'll be interesting. Got some water here. I'm going to have a little pinch of salt in to keep my electrolytes up. That should stop me from getting headaches and cramps and things. So as I said, this is my first time, so there's probably people watching this going, oh, you should do this, you should do that. But yeah, what's it been? Nearly 16 hours. It's going all right. It's hour 17 hours since I had any food. I've had one black tea, lots of water, some salt, and I feel all right. The stomach rumbling started about an hour ago, but that seems to have stopped for a while. I feel quite creative actually. I feel like I want to do something creative, maybe some leather work or some painting. So I don't know if that's the so-called cognitive benefits that start happening, but I've got a creative urge, which is good. But I don't feel dizzy or weak or tired or headachy. Just feel pretty normal. So I think it's going to be different tonight. I think tonight's going to be hard, but if I can get through tonight, then I can eat tomorrow around about 9 o'clock in the morning and break my fast. Hour 19, and I'm going to paint my boots. Hour 22, and I just followed through. 25 hours. I feel alright actually. I look a bit weird. 32 hours. 32 hours in, and I feel great. I feel really good. But yeah, I slept really well. I feel good. I don't feel hungry. I just open my eyes and I feel focused. It's weird. This is a good thing to do. It's a good thing to do. Good morning, planet Earth. I'm 34 hours into this fast and I feel absolutely amazing. I wish I could put it into words. It's a phenomenal thing. So I'm off to the co-op to get myself a banana. I'm going to have to start off with a mashed banana, and then I'm going to have some fish about an hour later. Here we go. I've done it. 36 hours. I'm going to have this mashed. From salt water to baby food. That tastes amazing. It's the 37th hour, and I'm about to have some fish. Wow. I haven't installed my fridge yet, so all my recipes are using shelf-stable ingredients. Canned food, rice, lentils, that sort of thing. And and obviously 2 hobs. So let's see how to make this, which gave me loads of energy to get through the first part of my fast, and it's really tasty as well. Right, you will need chickpeas, instant couscous, lemon juice, cayenne pepper, coriander, ground cumin, a little bit of crushed chili, and some olive oil. The good thing about this is you can literally add anything. Onion, tomatoes, pepper, whatever you want. And it's absolutely gorgeous. It kicks like a mule. I think I put a little bit too much spice in it. When I ate this before my fast, I ate a lot. But now I'm absolutely full up and there's at least half of it left. It's a shame this is going to have to go to waste, but good that my stomach shrunk. And there you have it. You now know how to make chickpeas and couscous. It's a start. Bear with me. It's early days, so yeah, hopefully it will liven up a bit. Start coming out with some better recipes. But the fasting, I can't recommend that enough. Really, the benefits are phenomenal, and it's an amazing reset for your whole body. So good stuff. Yeah. I was planning on doing 2 this week, but I'm just going to do 1 a week while I sort of break myself into it. But yeah, watch this space for more culinary masterpieces. Crying. Middle of nowhere. It's wonderful.